It's Erika Grotto here at HFMA's annual conference in Nashville, and I'm so excited right now to be joined by Julie Lambert and Nick Panayi from Inovalon. Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
So tell me, what makes Inovalon so unique?
Let me tell you a little bit about the company and then I'll get to that answer. But Inovalon is a provider of cloud-based software and data solutions that serve the entire healthcare ecosystem. Our secret sauce, our key differentiator is our data. And we have a platform we call Inovalon One. And Inovalon One is characterized by 4 key differentiators. Number 1, national scale connectivity. Number 2, we have real-time access to the nation's largest primary sourced data. 3, we have over 2 decades of experience in this healthcare space, and obviously that counts for a lot. Taking the data by itself is not sufficient. Knowing what to do with it is the most important thing. And combining that experience with advanced analytics really makes us who we are, and it gives the value to the entire healthcare ecosystem. And at the end of the day, we're all about improving clinical outcomes and economics for the healthcare system. In terms of our customers, we have over 20,000 customers. We serve 23 of the top 25 health systems in the country. We serve 17 of the top 25 global pharmaceutical firms. We serve 7 of the top 10 pharmacies. And we serve all top 25 healthcare systems in the United States. So at the end of the day, you can see where the scale comes from. All of this information flows into Inovalon One, and it gets distributed back out through 100+ SaaS-based applications. So that's where we provide our value. The other thing I will say about the company, this very recent certification for one of the greatest places to work. And we're very, very happy about our employees are ecstatic. And I think it kind of shows the positive culture that we have in the company, and that translates to value for our customers.
That's wonderful. Yeah, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
That's not easy.
Thank you.
Let's talk about patient financial experience. So tell me, how can Inovalon's provider business unit enhance the patient experience?
Yeah, absolutely. So to start with, consumerism has really taken off in the healthcare space, particularly with the higher cost deductibles and out-of-pockets that continue to go up or seem to go up year over year. In addition, we're seeing a lot of patients want to make decisions. They want to have choices. They want to have flexibility on where they're treated, what location, who the provider is. And so with all of that, our software solutions connects those providers and consumers by allowing them to understand where they have eligibility, what the coverage looks like, and in addition to can calculate up front what their coinsurance or what their copay would be. And then on the back end, if that's not collected up front, if a bill is submitted or issued, there's a lot of flexible options for portal, Apple Pay, text to pay, and having a lot of the questions answered in the breakdown of the bill as well. So it's very intuitive.
Great. So we want to make things good for the patient, but we don't want that to be a burden on the rev cycle folks. So if we're talking utopia for revenue cycle leaders, what does that look like to you?
Well, at Inovalon, we believe that data has a story to tell. And as Nick was mentioning, we have access to a lot of data through all of the software and all the different areas of the ecosystem that we support, whether it's payers and health plans, CMS, Medicaid plans, it's providers of all types across acute, post-acute, SNF facilities, and the different partners, as well as the pharmacies and the life sciences organizations. We have a lot of data that is not just there for transacting or sitting in a large warehouse for future reference, or if it has to be accessed. It's really doing the analytics, as Nick mentioned, taking the analytics and providing actionable insights back to the revenue cycle team, back to the provider, so they can look for trends in payments, trends in changes that could be happening with how those transactions are coming through. And really, it just also improves overall patient care and economics, because it's a big warehouse of data that can be used to inform, like a pharmaceutical company that is looking to bring drugs to market, also looking at just ways to improve a provider practice and how they do the order to cash and do the cash flow.
Great. So for anyone watching this, they want to learn more about Inovalon, they want to talk to you guys, where do they find you?
Inovalon.com is our website, and that's where we have most of the information and, of course, an ability to then connect to our subject matter experts. And we're on every social media platform imaginable, so come and visit and follow us, and we'd love to have a conversation.
All right, sounds great. Well, Julie, Nick, thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Thanks for having us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.